Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to hide all posts on Facebook. First of all, tap on your Facebook app icon, then you will be in a page interface something like this. Then you can see the three-lined option in the right lower corner. Tap on that hamburger icon. After tapping, you will be in a page something like this. Scroll down, then you can see settings and privacy. Tap on the drop down menu right on the side of it, then you can see the settings option. You have to tap on that setting option, then you'll be in a page something like this. You have to scroll down until you find your information. In that sector you can see activity log. Tap on that, then you'll be in this and you can see your posts. Then you can see manage your post just beneath that. Tap on it. Then you'll be in a page something like this. Then you can select the post you want to hide or archive. It's the same thing, or you can archive all at once. So tap on all option on your screen. Then all option will be selected at once. Then you can see the option of archive and trash down. You can click on archive if you want to hide all your posts. Archive and hide means the same thing. Then you can see this popping up on your screen. You have to tap on move to archive. After tapping that, it may take some time to process all of your changes, but it will be on no time. Then if you want to go back to your archive post, you want to see all the posts that are hidden, then you have to go on archive, which is on the upper part of your screen. Then you have to tap on that. Then you can see all the posts you have hidden or archived. Then you can restore the post by selecting it and tapping on the restore button, which is beneath the screen. So this is how you hide all the posts in your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, keep watching.